Great. Well, this is actually Humphrey New Year, and you're with us and you're doing this new show, Bobby Plays Thick.
Yeah, it's actually a web series on TVNetwork.com. It actually starts on the 7th of January. And the thing I love about it is there's 7 segments in a 3-minute piece. So you can watch the entire season in less time than you can watch one episode of the show.
There's no first.
That's very dangerous, everybody.
There's the way.
Okay, let me say what I lost.
Well, I would say that there's a couple things. Like, things that I'm working on for the new year is I failed in quitting smoking, right?
Are you going to quit smoking?
I am going to quit
We
smoking.
need him to quit smoking, don't you think?
It's horrible, but so we have, Bobby and I, we work out, we go down and get something. We have a race, I win the race. And the smoker, so before he jumped that, I'm like a lightning bolt. He runs for miles. So he's like, okay, let's race again. I'm like, I'm dead.
It's literally about 20 feet.
Very much 40 yards. So what are you making today that's super healthy?
All right, so we're going to make a lamb dip. I knew I was going to cook with you today, and I know you love lamb and, of course, Greek ingredients and flavors as I do. So this is actually going to be a lamb loin with some spices on it.